Booyah! Ever dream of finding that one stock, the overlooked gem that could change your financial future? Picture it. You're sifting through the market noise and suddenly, you spot a small company with a revolutionary idea and a powerhouse team. This isn't fantasy, it's how fortunes are made on Wall Street. The thrill? Knowing you're ahead of the crowd, seeing potential before the world catches on. This isn't gambling, it's about research, connecting the dots, and acting on conviction. We're not chasing yesterday's winners, we're hunting tomorrow's champions. Start asking, what's next? What technology or brand will shape the future? Blaze your own trail. This is where real money is made. Ignore the cynics. Years from now, they'll wish they'd acted. We're the ones who do the research, spot the opportunity, and have the guts to act. Are you ready? The hunt for the next big winner starts now. History is full of bold investors who saw greatness before anyone else. Remember Amazon? Wall Street laughed at an online bookstore, but early believers saw Jeff Bezos's vision and turned thousands into millions. Apple was nearly bankrupt in 1997. The true believers saw Steve Jobs' genius, held on, and watched it become the world's most valuable company. Tesla? The skeptics doubted, but early investors saw more than a car company. They saw a tech revolution. These weren't lucky gamblers. They were visionaries who understood the future. The lesson? Find a great business with a long runway for growth and hold on. It's not about perfect timing or daily trading. It's about identifying greatness, buying in, and letting compounding work its magic. Legendary returns are possible for anyone who does their homework and invests in the future. These stories aren't fairy tales, they're proof. The next Amazon or Tesla is out there right now. Will you be the one who finds it? That's the power of early investing. So, how do you spot the next game changer before the headlines? Look for explosive growth potential, companies in massive, expanding markets. Seek out innovation. Is this company disrupting an old industry with something truly new? Trailblazers, not copycats, deliver the big returns. Take Viridian Dynamics, at the forefront of AI-driven agriculture, using drones and machine learning to boost crop yields and cut water use. The global agriculture market is huge, and demand for sustainable food is soaring. Viridian has patents, working tech, and early contracts with industry giants. Their leadership blends engineering brilliance with business savvy. This is the setup we hunt for: growth, innovation, and a massive market. Spotting a company like Viridian early is how you turn a modest investment into a life-changing sum. Before you buy any stock, even Viridian, you must do your own homework. An idea is just a starting point. Investing without research is gambling. Dig into the company's financial health, revenue growth, profitability, and debt levels. If the numbers don't back up the story, walk away. Scrutinize the management team. Visionary leaders with skin in the game matter. Check their track record and listen to how they communicate. Understand the competition. What's the company's moat? Patents, brand, network effects. Be brutally honest. Is this truly the best in its class? Deep dive research is hard work, but it separates winners from losers. Do the homework or risk losing your shirt. You've done your homework, bought a great company. Now comes the hardest part: patience. The biggest mistake? Selling winners too early after a quick gain. Imagine Viridian jumps 50% in 6 months. Tempting to sell, right? But if the long-term story is intact, that's just the beginning. The truly massive returns, 1,000% or more, take years, not months. Patience means enduring volatility, bad headlines, and market panic. Your conviction, built on research, helps you hold on when others bail. Short-term price swings are just noise. Focus on the business's fundamentals. Letting winners run is how fortunes are made. You're not just a trader, you're a business owner. Plant the seed, nurture it, and let it grow. Stay focused, be patient, and let the story play out. The big lesson? Wealth comes from owning outstanding businesses for the long term. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-for-sure strategy with discipline and the right mindset. Be a student of the market, always hunting for the next great story. Your financial future is in your hands. Start today. Read, learn, and see the market as a collection of businesses, not a casino. Every investment carries risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always diversify. The wealth you build can change your life, pay for college, retire early, pursue your passions, or leave a legacy. It's not just about money, it's about freedom and security. This is why we do the homework, why we're patient, why we invest. The market is full of opportunities right now. Do your homework, have conviction, and think long term. The power to change your life is yours. Go out there and make it happen.